Welcome to Octane Vein. I'm in the Machine Shop, which is a workshop. It's a machine shop that's full of machines and tools that you can use. You can come down here and be a member and work on your own projects using their machines and get one-to-one welding lessons from Bob, the guy who runs the place. And that's exactly what I did before I welded the roll cage for the BMW. I wasn't quite confident with my welding, so I came down, got a lesson from Bob, and that gave me the confidence to crack on with actually getting it welded. And within a week, I'd finished it. So I'm not working on anything today. I'm just down here for a social, just to catch up and see how they're doing. If you've got a project that you want to work on, check out the socials below, and let's come.